large parts of the time, a very large building is mostly unoccupied, but the office space is working, perhaps the backstage space is working. One of the key things for energy efficiency in performing arts spaces is recognizing how the building operates. And having systems that react to that occupied, unoccupied schedule is extremely important.
In the theater world, by nature, it's almost always a non-daylight space. It demands high wattage, high lighting load, occupancy sensor, vacancy sensor in some of the public spaces. In conjunction with LED, the facility, the application should be able to bring the energy down to the minimum level.
Another element is the assembly spaces often have large demands for outside air. So how we treat that and recognizing, well, we don't want to deliver it when it's not needed, but being able to cool it and heat it appropriately when it is occupied is so essential.
Salas O'Brien is so rich with expertise and sensitivity. With all this technology know-how and the sensitivity to the artistic requirement to the art institutions, Salas O'Brien will be able to deliver what's required coming from the projects.
Now that we're right across North America, we can provide local expertise for wherever the building is being constructed. And that's extremely valuable to any owner. The investment in designing systems for sustainability pays back.